Ladies and gentlemen, welcome officially to speak to the grand final event.
Forgive me, I do not intend to offend anyone, but I will not pretend to overlook the truth.
The fight's between you and me, not one's against an external, obvious enemy that has waged a war against Islam.
So in your time of hopelessness, let me remind you that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has stated in the Holy Quran that you are the best nation raised forth for mankind.
They will never stop trying to divert us, persuading us and convincing us to bend our morals, because that is what they do in the face of hardship.
We are not meant to be bystanders. We are supposed to do something, say something, spread awareness.
An inferiority complex is that pesky voice at the back of your head constantly reminding you that you aren't good enough. While your heart beats violently, hands begin to tremble, and vision blurs.
So who are they to deny the decree of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the Almighty?
We'll smile through teary eyes and trembling lips. Know that you can abuse me, you can take my power from me, you can demean me, you can slander me, but you will not change the contents within.
Islam has always been an empire of faith, and for centuries there were no borders between the Islamic lands.
Instead of obsessing over what separates us, focus on what unifies us.
Remember that being Muslim means that we have a quest to fulfill. La rahata ba'da al-yawm. There is no rest after today.